Hey guys, CDR Superhero Gaming here, back in the video, and today you guys may be wondering, what is Ocean Boss, and why am I default on level 1? Well, to completely be honest with you, I'm showing you guys how to go into a quote-unquote custom match option. So people like me, we don't have creator codes yet. And you guys might also want to so obviously you can't do your challenges in there, so that kind of simulates it, except for you can do your challenges with this, but it's not your real account unless you have a way that you can use another thing and then you can bring your accounts into it, and then that's a completely different story. But then with this method, you'll be able to go into a kind of private match with only bots, which is what the old custom matchmaking used to allow to do. But now it's completely different, and now it's just whenever you first start off and do your first game, guys, you actually start off in a bot lobby, so you don't really do anything first. So your first round is fully bots, and if you keep playing, you're gonna keep playing against bots until you get more and more real players, and then it depends on how good you are. So your first round is basically a custom match. So I'll show you guys how to get a custom matchmaking, but without needing a creator code. So all you need to do is create a new alt account and just press solo, and make sure that you're the party leader if you're doing this with friends. You could do this as a victory royale method, if you want to get your main account like a victory royale, then you can go ahead and do that. So let's get on right into it. Also guys, oh that's funny, there's a skin that looks exactly like me. But also guys, at the top there's a thing sometimes that's says that you're level 1. If you have a friend that doesn't have the battle pass or something, but then he's already been playing, just because it might glitch and say level 1, which is probably normal, it doesn't mean you're going into a bot lobby. Because they actually have a level, like my friend, it always appears that they're level 1 because they don't have the battle pass, but they're actually level 36. So that's not how it works. It doesn't work that you're always going to go into a bot lobby, and plus they're not party leader. So even if they were party leader though, you wouldn't go into a bot lobby. Only on your first ever match you go into a very easy bot lobby. So let's land at the Fortilla right here and get Ocean, because why not? And then from that, oh gosh, I accidentally forgot about something. Oh no. The things, I just keep this as 3, 4, 5, and 6. Apply, done. Alright, good. I nearly forgot about that. That would have been bad. Alright, so I need to hop on the disguise. I'm pretty sure I know where Ocean is gonna be, but I'm not 100% sure. Also, my game might glitch out, and yep, invisible characters. Players sometimes show up invisible to me, so that's just annoying. Look, this thing's head keeps glitching out. Why is there a shotgun here? I'm gonna try and get in here first, because this is most likely where Ocean is going to be. If not, I know where Ocean might be. Obviously, Ocean isn't here. Possibly. So sometimes we might need to kill henchmen and shake them down in order to know. But since we're in a bot lobby, we know that there's... Alright. So let's say, for example, say this person. Let's shake down this bot. so we know where they are. Sometimes this one does take time to find, so they might as well be here. So let's scan them down. No ground? Really? So yeah, it's kind of hard to find ocean, but I have a glitch for ocean, so that's the real reason I'm trying to look for ocean. But I don't think I'm going to be able to. Just saying. I'm gonna look here. No. But yeah, this game is glitched out. I have no idea where ocean usually is. Alright, let's shake this person down. See, right now I'm getting shot by a bot. Alright, let's go back to the disguise thing. Oof, we got a minute. I don't think we're going to be able to find ocean. I don't think. I don't even know where ocean is. Like, I've never really been here. So if I find her, then I'll keep recording the news. There. We got the chug jug and we got the this. Probably don't have time to loot the Fortilla key card, but we have time to run. I mean, I'll check out what's here. They're probably gonna have a thing to like porta potty. But let's see. Let's go check. This is like the first official time where I've done this, so I never know where the location is. Now I know where to check mostly. Nothing? Are you kidding me? This? A hunting rifle? A burst like this? You level up easily with this. Alright. We got a little farther. Ooh, we have one of those little thingies right there. Ooh, we'll be able to go to the agency. I mean, authority. Oops. I get them mixed up. Then I have a glitch to test out. Oh, Jules is right here. Alright, good. I don't need the key card. Jules drum gun, and we have this. Oh no 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 no, you're not taking me out, no. I already have both mythic things. All the mythic things except for kits. Charge shotgun. Oh no. I want this. I want the shotgun. Alright, let's glide her out of here. And come up here. Alright. Dang it, too bad you can't get all the mythic stuff. Still. Oh gosh, the glider is super glitched out. Just in the circle, so I'll just be here. This is the only loot I get. Cannot believe that. This is the only loot I get, guys. The mythic stuff. I'll just take a screenshot of this. Yeah, it's screeny. Should probably have more materials. Dang, I should have not mined that tree. I wonder if sharks are in these games. Probably. Oh, I think I see somebody in that direction. Unless that's just part of the thing, the supply drop. How good is this drum gun? Joel's drum gun. Damage, not that much as Might's drum gun. I think I like the shockwave launcher because then you can just aim it at yourself. I saw that they're shooting in up there. A lot of it. Dang it, I missed out. That was random. I didn't glider reapply. Ooh, for this you actually need like ammo? Come on now. See what trash loot there is here. It's been a while since there's been a grenade launcher. I think they're just doing this to involve a lot of weapons, but I'm not sure. Oh, I can always use the thing. Ooh, I heard some snipering. Sniping, like snipering. Whoa, buddy. Body. Bot-y instead of buddy. Where are you? Yo, chill. I don't see your shots coming from. Where are you? Oh, I see you now. Boom. Dead. Pretty sure there's just 2 guys left, yes? I don't know where they are. But yeah, this is how... Ooh, 1 guy left. Where are they? Ooh, more rockets. I can do more of the things for the grenade launcher. Let's stay down here and try the glitch one more time. And now I'm gonna wait for him to come over to me. Come on now. Come on now. Dang it, I couldn't drop all of them. But yeah, if we return back to the lobby, that's the free win glitch. So you can do this on as many accounts as you want, create as many accounts as you want, go on your device multiple times, and then try and get your main to get a victory royale. But of course, this is just for totally educational purposes, totally, yeah, because we don't want to get banned. I don't think you can for this. I think it is just taking advantage of bot lobbies. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and let's see the new glider. I haven't actually seen it yet, so let's skip ahead. Well, these are all the rewards. So we got the flipping away, 100 V-Bucks, the umbrella, which is super glitched out right now, and the Fortilla glider. SOS rainbow? No. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace out.